Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session, what we need to do is we need to write a function to find interval between two different time, two different phases on a clock. Okay, so a clock has 12 intervals, right? So it's a 12-hour format, right? So goes all the way from 1 to 12, right? So since it has 360 degrees, that means each interval is 360 divided by 12. That means 30, right? In this case, suppose we are in given 3 and 9, right? So we need to uh, subtract phase 2 minus phase 1, right? That will give us how many intervals are there? 6, right? So we need to multiply that with 3 again, 30 again, to get 180. Okay, that's 180 degree, right? That's what we need to find. What's the degree in that? Okay, so in order to do that, perhaps what we can do is phase 2 minus phase 1 into 30. Okay, let's just run the code. What happened? Okay, the semicolon was missing. Let's run it. Okay, I think we might have missed something. Okay, the first number could be greater than that as well. Right, so if we need to do something else over here. So if, of course, phase 2 is greater than phase 1, right, we need to do return. I mean, it should be return what? Return this thing, right? Return this, something like this, right? Otherwise, what do we do? Otherwise, we simply do phase 1 minus phase 2, phase 2 like this, right? So just trying to make it pretty like this, right? So hopefully that this will work. Right, let's just run the code. It should work. What happened? Oh, that's why I don't like. Okay, I understood what happened over there. It should be a semicolon over there. Right. Yeah, it works just fine. Let's just submit the code. Let's see how other people have done it. Okay, let's see the solutions as well. Yeah, somewhat similar, right? Very much same. And F max was used, F minimum was used. Okay, great. What about other? Yeah, somewhat similar. Right. Okay, so that's how we can do it. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.